Imagine one gadget that replaces your amp, your speaker, your pedal board, and even your practice partner. Sounds impossible? Meet Lava Studio. But here's the twist. It doesn't just play music, it creates it. And the way it does it will blow your mind. This thing packs 30 plus AI-driven amps, vintage crunch, modern sparkle, all modded with scary accuracy. Then there's the 40 plus effects models, drag, drop, build an 8-slot effects chain in seconds. When you're done shredding, it transforms into a high-fidelity speaker system, woofer thumping, tweeters crisp, perfect for streaming your playlists. And here's where it gets wild. It's loaded with 500 plus backing tracks, 3000 plus loops, and interactive lessons. Basically, it's your band, your teacher, and your studio, all in one box. Founder Lewis Liu said it best. We wanted to redefine what a desktop amp can be, and honestly, they did. But here's the question. If one gadget can replace all your gear, what happens to the rest of the industry? So, is Lava Studio the future of music gear, or just hype? Drop your hottest take below and let's debate. This pocket-sized gadget makes it possible, up to 1000 feet away. But here's the question. Is this $89 device a game changer for night vision, or just a toy? This is the mini dual tube digital night vision instrument. It records in 1080p video and snaps 12MP photos. It's got a 2.4-inch HD screen and 4 times digital zoom, letting you spot details even in pitch black. The secret? An 8050 nm infrared illuminator with 7 brightness levels. That means you can see animals or objects clearly in 100% darkness. It's lightweight, just 206 grams. Imagine turning your backyard, rooftop, or even the beach into a full-blown Dolby Vision camp cinema. That's exactly what the Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro promises. But here's the question. Can one gadget really replace your home theater and survive outdoors? The X1 Pro is a triple laser 4K projector with 3500 lumens. Translation: you can watch movies in daylight. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG with color accuracy covering 110% of record .20 dots. That's pro-level cinema quality. Audio: a 7.1.4 surround system with wireless, weather-resistant speakers and dual subwoofers. It's not just loud, it's immersive. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Inflatable screen, AI autofocus, keystone correction, even wall color adjustment. It's plug and play cinema. And yes, it runs Google TV, streams Netflix, YouTube, and even handles gaming with 19 ms latency. But here's the catch. It doesn't have a built-in battery. You'll need a power station up to $1,600 extra. So is this portable IMAX worth the price? Would you trade your home theater for this portable cinema or stick with the setup you already have? Drop your thoughts below and let's see if the X1 Pro really is the future of entertainment. Imagine an e-bike with more torque, more range, and smarter tech than anything before. This is Enigwe's Engine Pro 3.0 Boost. But here's the question, can one folding e-bike really replace your commute and conquer off-road trails? The Boost packs 90 Newton meters of torque. That's more muscle than most folding e-bikes on the market. Each 48-volt Samsung battery delivers up to 130 kilometers of range, and with fast charging, you are back on the road in just 2 hours. Comfort: dual suspension, fat 20-inch tires and hydraulic disc brakes. Translation: smooth rise, sharp stops. And it's smart: a new TFT display, GPS tracking, motion alerts, and even OTA updates. This isn't just an e-bike, it's connected. Fold it, store it, or take it anywhere. Meet the smartphone that's built for survival. Dual flashlights, night vision camera, and a battery 5 times bigger than your iPhone. But here's the real question. Is this the ultimate adventure phone or just overkill? This is the Unihes 8849 Hike, a survival smartphone with a 23,800 mAh battery. Yes, that's 5 times the size of a normal phone. It charges at 120 watts, topping up in just 2 hours. And it doubles as a power bank for all your gear. Lightning, dual LED flashlight pushing 1200 lumens. Imagine a knife that cuts with sound. No effort, no friction, just ultrasonic power slicing through anything. But here's the real question. Is this $399 gadget the future of cooking or just hype? This is the ultrasonic kitchen knife powered by a microprocessor that vibrates the blade at 40,000 times per second. The result? Cuts so smooth they look polished. Meat, bread, even tough vegetables. No tearing, no crumbs. It's rechargeable with a 2-hour battery life and comes with a safety lock to prevent accidents. The design is sleek, stainless steel blade, ergonomic grip, futuristic vibe. It feels more like a lab instrument than a kitchen tool. And yes, it's dishwasher safe, which is rare for high-tech kitchen gear. But here's the catch. At $399, it costs more than an entire knife set. So is ultrasonic slicing worth the premium? Would you upgrade your kitchen with an ultrasonic knife or stick with the classics? Drop your thoughts below and let's debate if sound-powered cooking is the future. An electric motorcycle that promises mass market appeal, affordable, powerful, and built by Can-Am, the brand known for wild three-wheelers. But here's the big question, can this bike finally make electric motorcycles mainstream? This is the Can-Am Origin EV, the company's first mass-market electric motorcycle, designed for both city commuting and weekend adventure. It packs a 74 horsepower motor with instant torque, giving it the punch of a mid-sized gas bike, but without the noise or emissions. Range? Around 150 miles per charge, with fast charging that gets you back on the road in under an hour. The design is sleek, minimalistic frame, integrated LED lighting, and a digital cockpit with smart connectivity. A hypercar built with 3D printing that just broke the 5G barrier. This is Zynga's latest creation. But here's the question, can 3D printing really build the fastest cars in the world? This is the Zynga's 21C Evo, a hypercar designed in California and manufactured with AI-driven 3D printing. It produces 1,350 horsepower from a hybrid twin-turbo V8 and electric motors. That's enough to push it past 5G of lateral force on track. The chassis and suspension are printed, not forged, optimized by algorithms for strength and weight reduction. And its top speed over 280 miles per hour, and it's already breaking lap records at Laguna Seca and Circuit of the Americas. The design is radical: fighter jet cockpits, tandem seating, and aerodynamics sculpted by AI. But here's the catch, only a handful will ever be built, each costing millions. So is this the future of car manufacturing, or just a glimpse of what's possible?